Well, hey there, it's Sunday, July 2nd. I knew I was forgetting something I needed to get started on this morning before we got started on our project here. I forgot to do an intro. So here we are. We've got everything. We've got our sand all screed out here. We actually ended up a bag short, so the folks are running to the store to get some more of that. But we're getting our pavers set, laid down here. It's another toasty one. We decided to get the umbrella out. That helps a lot to have that keep us cool while we're working in the shade a little bit. But yep, here we are. We're going at it again today. Progressing along here, and if there's one thing that we are not very tolerant of up here right now in Montana is heat. We've actually had a really cool spring, and coming up to summer it's been really cool. We typically are into the low hundreds by this time of year, but we haven't cracked 90 yet. I think yesterday and today are the first 90-degree days. So yeah, we've got our little umbrella out here. That sure has helped a lot to keep us in the shade. So we're not used to it being hot. So yeah, once we hit 90, it's pretty warm. But we're cruising along here, and we're actually almost done with this. We've got a couple more rows to go, and then we'll be wrapped up. We're kind of wrapping things up here a little bit for tonight, and we've got our pavers down finally, and we've got our sand in, the joint sand in there. What's that stuff called? Polymeric sand. We've got that. Butch is sweeping that around, filling in the cracks. Of course, you know, the project doesn't ever go exactly how you think it's going to go, but we're pretty close here. The slope held up, so we've got a good slope in there for drainage, and yeah, just working away at it here. Hopefully we'll be spraying it here just a little bit and see what we get. Okay, wrapping her up for today. We got this I got all the pavers laid, and we got the sand put in, and got it not washed, we got it wetted down so that it would so that sand will get hard, the polymeric sand. So we did that, and that's kind of finishes us up for the day, and we'll check it out tomorrow and see how it's looking. So thanks for watching. Sorry it's not another build video, but we're going to be at it, we should be at it next week. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good evening. That's it for now.